Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. What if you could go from a simple idea to a fully functional multi-agent AI system in mere minutes? Today, I'm going to show you a method that is 10 times, maybe even 100 times better than prompt engineering. It's called context engineering, and it will fundamentally change how you use AI to code. First, let's look at the old way. Most people use AI coding assistants like a chatbot, which I call vibe coding. For example, if I want to build a content creator assistant using the Google Agent Development Kit or ADK, I might just type that simple request into the prompt. The AI immediately gets it wrong. It thinks I mean the Google AdMob SDK, which is for mobile ads. Then it starts asking clarifying questions because it has no context about my project, the specific libraries I want to use, or the architecture I prefer. It's just guessing. This is the core problem. The AI doesn't have enough information, so the task fails immediately. This is why so many complex tasks with AI fail, but there's a much better way. The solution is context engineering, a powerful concept and an incredible open source template that has over 5,000 stars on GitHub. Instead of giving the AI a sticky note, we're giving it the full screenplay by providing the AI with project rules, code examples, and clear feature requests. The specific tool we're trying to use is Google's Agent Development Kit, which is a fantastic framework for building AI agents. I've even covered the ADK framework extensively on my channel, which you can check out in the playlists if you want a deeper dive. But today, we're focused on the workflow. The official guide is great, but it can seem a bit overwhelming. So after working with it, I've streamlined the entire process into what I call the ultimate context engineering guide. The simple, repeatable 3-step process. And step 1, set up your examples. And step 2, and I use a magic prompt in your IDE. And step 3, run 2 commands. That's it. Let's do it right now and build that content creator agent correctly. Okay, first we'll clone the context engineering repository. Now we begin step 1, set up the examples. I'll go to the official Google ADK samples repo, find a relevant project like academic research, and I'm just going to drag and drop it right into my examples folder. This is the most important part. We're teaching the AI our preferred architecture with high quality working code. Next, step 2, the magic prompt. I have a pre-written prompt here that does all the heavy lifting. It tells the agent to scan the project files, including a custom text file with details about my YouTube channel. The goal is to set up the environment for our content creator assistant using the Google ADK and following the patterns from our academic research example. It will then automatically update the project's core files, Claude Markdown, and initial Markdown for us. Let's run it just like that. The agent has analyzed all the context and updated the project files with a complete plan. Look at this. The initial Markdown file now has a detailed feature description, and the Claude Markdown file has project awareness and even code, structure rules based on our example. Now for the final and easiest part, step 3, run the 2 commands. First, in the terminal, we'll run generate PRP initial markdown. This command takes our initial plan and creates a detailed product requirements prompt, or PRP, which is the blueprint for our application. You can see the new file right here. Now for the final command, execute PRP, followed by the path to that new PRP file. This tells the AI to take the blueprint and build the entire application. It's creating the project structure, writing the Python code for the agent, the prompts, the dependencies, all based on the context and examples we gave it. It's building everything for us, completely hands-free. Alright, the PRP execution is complete. The agent has successfully implemented the content creator assistant. It's created all the required components, the project structure, the agent configuration, everything. Let's test it. I'll set up the Python virtual environment and install all the dependencies. Now that the dependencies are installed, let's run the web server with the command ADK web. Here's the ADK interface. Let's select our new content creator assistant. I'll say, hi there, to start the conversation. Oh, we have an error context variable not found by topic. This is actually perfect. It shows the self-correcting power of this workflow. I'll just copy this error and feed it right back to the agent to let it fix its own mistake. The agent immediately sees the issue. It realizes there's a context variable mismatch and it's updating the prompt.py file to fix it. It's literally debugging itself based on the error message. Now let's try running the web server again. Let's select the agent and try again, and this time it works. Hello, I'm the specialized content creator assistant for the LM implementation YouTube channel. It knows exactly who it is because we provided that context. Now let's give it a task. I'll just say I have no ideas and then look at that. Based on its analysis, it's suggesting several hot topics for 2025, like the rise of collaborative AI agents with Crew AI and building production, ready agents with Microsoft's AutoGen. It's using Google Search as we instructed to find relevant, trending topics tailored specifically to my channel. This is exactly what we wanted. So to recap, we went from a failing vibe prompt to a fully working, self-correcting AI agent. The difference was context engineering. We gave the AI high quality examples, a detailed prompt to generate a plan, and then let it build and even debug itself. And then this is how you can truly code 10 times faster with AI. I'll be putting my ultimate guide with the magic prompts and a link to the GitHub repo in the description below. If this guide was helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.